Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In this video, we will be discussing about the weird force fault bug in TOPSPIN 2K25 that users started experiencing after installing the latest patch. Apart from this, we will share some solutions suggested by other affected gamers. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us to create more similar videos. One user on Reddit reported that my player is serving into the net on his own over and over and over. I can't control him. Another user reported, my player will go on double faulting marathons and lose me games. I don't even touch the controller and the game starts serving on its own. One more user reported that my player just starts serving with no input from me. Just like that, Reddit is full of similar reports with gamers showing their frustration as they are losing the game due to this bug. And if you landed on this video, then it's possible you're also facing the same issue, right? It's a cross-platform bug as similar reports are coming from PS5, Xbox and PC users. The good thing is that the company has acknowledged the issue and suggested users submit a ticket to receive support. However, there's no solution suggested by officials to fix this issue. There are some solutions suggested by users in the gamers community that might help you. One user suggested that just make a serve with a button instead of joystick. It fixes the problem for the next serves. Another user suggested try closing the game completely and launching it again helps in fixing the bug. Another user suggested that disconnecting and reconnecting the pad or controller fix the issue. One more user suggested that pressing the instant replay button before the next point usually fixes the issue. Why don't you try these solutions and let us know in the comments if this fixes the issue. Apart from this, if you are aware of any other solution, then feel free to share in the comments for other users. For more updates on this issue, check the blog post added in the description. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.